Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to make a summer face pack using these ingredients. For this face pack I am going to need 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Turmeric helps to brighten your skin, it gives an even skin tone and reduce suntan. Then milk, full cream milk I am using because of my dry skin. If you have oily skin you can use lemon juice instead of milk. Milk also helps to brighten your skin tone. Then oatmeal. This is how oats look. I have just put it in mixer grinder and made powder. So I am going to use this oatmeal powder. Oatmeal powder helps to exfoliate your skin. It removes all the dead cells from the layer of the skin and gives a very fresh look. Then aloe vera gel. This I am using this aloe vera gel. This is this also contains sandalwood paste, so you can use this, or if you don't have this you can just use plain aloe vera gel, whatever is available for you. So first in this turmeric powder I am going to add 1 teaspoonful of oatmeal powder, then fresh milk. You can add entire thing if you want. I have taken 2 teaspoons of fresh milk with full fat milk. Then this aloe vera gel. This also 1 teaspoon you should add. This is so soothing on your skin, this aloe vera gel. It gives you a cooling effect. In the summer, whenever your skin is irritating and you have the prickly skin, you can use that aloe vera gel on your skin. It gives a soothing effect. So this forms the pack for your face. Mix it nicely. So this face pack is ready. Apply on your face evenly. Leave it for half an hour and then wash it off with cold water. Before washing you just give a slight scrub on your face. This will help to exfoliate all the dead skin cells. The turmeric which you have added in this face pack will give you an even skin tone, and the aloe vera gel which you are using helps to relieve the summer prickly heat. If you have any irritation on the skin, it will help to relieve that irritation. And then the milk helps to brighten your skin tone. Even out your skin tone, it moisturizes your skin and gives you a glowing look. Apply the face pack like this evenly. Once dry, gently scrub off and wash. If you want to know more such face packs, please comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Thanks for watching.